but don't waste your life. It was 3 a.m. The city was sleeping, but Amir was awake, not because he was working hard, not because he had dreams to chase. He was awake because he was tired, very tired of his life. He was lying on his bed staring at the ceiling. A yellow streetlight came through the old curtain. His phone was next to him. The screen was broken, just like his heart. Amir was 30 years old, but he felt like he was 70. Or maybe he felt like he never really lived. For years he always said, "I will do it later. Later I will exercise. Later I will read books. Later I will follow my dream. Later I will become better." But later never came. Days became months. Months became years. And his life slowly passed. That night he opened his phone and went to his photo gallery. He scrolled down and stopped. There was an old photo of him at 18. He was smiling. His eyes were full of light. He was holding a guitar. Suddenly he remembered. He wanted to be a musician. He wanted to make music that touched people's hearts. He wanted to stand on a stage, not sit behind a desk he hated. But he was afraid. Afraid of failing. Afraid of people's opinions. Afraid of hearing, "You can't do it." So he killed his dream. Slowly, silently, and he called it being realistic. A tear fell from his eye. He whispered, "I wasted my life." At that moment his phone vibrated. A message from an unknown number. Only one sentence. "Don't waste your life." His heart started beating fast. He opened the message. Nothing else was there. Just that sentence. It felt strange. Like the message didn't come from outside. Like it came from inside him. He stood up and walked to the mirror. He saw a man with tired eyes, dropped shoulders, a face far away from his old dreams. He asked himself one question. If I die today, what will I leave behind? No book, no art, no person whose life he changed. Just a name on a stone. That night, Amir didn't sleep. The next morning, he didn't go to work. For the first time in years. He took his old guitar from the storage room. It was dusty. His hands were shaking. He played the first chord. It didn't sound good, but it was real. He smiled, not because he was successful, but because he started. Days passed. It wasn't easy. People laughed at him. They said, "It's too late." They said, "Others are better than you." They said, "Dreams are for kids." But this time, Amir said, "No. No fear. No to waiting. No to waste of life." 1 year later, he was not famous. He was not rich. But he was alive. Really alive. He started uploading videos on YouTube. Not for fame. Not for money. Just to say one thing. If you are watching this, remember. It is not too late. The only person who kills your dreams is you. And the worst feeling in the world is realizing you only survived, but never lived. One night, he read a comment under his video. "After watching your video, I decided to change my life. Thank you for saving me." Amir cried. This time, not because of regret, but because his life finally had meaning. The message. Life does not wait. Time never comes back. And no one is responsible for your dreams. Except you. Don't waste your life. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Today.